Many people wish to pursue sports professionally, just like you have. But sometimes, when you're born in India and, having Indian parents, there are certain circumstances that I think push you to take up more realistic careers. So what advice would you give to people who wish to go pro like you have in table tennis or in any kind of sport and really pursue their dreams, really go after something that they want? Should they just concentrate on their studies, or should they try to maintain some balance, or should they just go for it? What would you recommend?
What is a realistic career? I mean, I don't see that's a definition. It might really differ from person to person, and nothing is a realistic career or a sure shot one. Like you seem to you do engineering degree and you have a job waiting for you. I don't think so. Most of the engineers are now venturing into, in fact, different perspectives, and they're going into altogether different field. Doing engineering. So as far as studies is concerned, the safe option, what people used to think, it's not the same right now. People are in fact doing many other things apart from engineering and being a doctor. I think that concept, and that has changed in the last 10 years. If you had asked me before 10 years, yes, sports was not as popular as it is now, and it was actually in the very growing up age. But I feel sports is definitely a very big platform, and it's become a profession from an extracurricular activity in our country, where people feel like you can really make your passion as your profession. Yes, definitely, there's a very big necessity to make a balance. You have to be also passionate, but you also have to be practical. Practical to a way that you feel you can really make, a big, outcome from it, or a solution to it. But there has to be a small inclination towards the sports side, and then make a decision. But when you're just because sports is something, it's not very common. Probably you will find very few players playing table tennis, or very few players taking in the professional way. That's because they always feel, will I make it big? But it's not about making it big. No one knew that I would come from 420 in the world to being the highest ranked Indian with 24. If I never in my life I imagined that I would make it this big. But you will have to have that inclination right from your childhood days, and keep pushing yourself as hard as you can. And I think the right age would be around 16 or 17 is when you feel you have a different, probably an idea on how you can go. And if you're really making it good steps in your sports field, if you're improving as a player, not just performances, not just medals, but if you're improving as a player, if you feel that's the right way, definitely you should have to give it some time, give it more inclination to the sports, and give it your best shot. Do what you can do, because sports is something directly proportional to age. In your what you do at that age really matters. So I think that is something people have to do, and I feel sports is getting more a secured profession, as you feel like, because there are a lot of public sector companies like ONGC, income tax, which it's almost very, very impossible or very difficult, in fact, to go through the normal routine of studies. But sports is something which is going to give you a better opportunity to go through that path, and you can also be happy, play your profession, play your sport, and make it as a physical activity also, who people think want to go into different venture. But you have to be just clear on what you want. You want to run behind money, or you want to earn a lot of money. People have a lot of variety dreams, or go beyond money and have happiness, or have a balanced life. It's about what you want in life. I did balance both, but I chose what gave me happiness. I had that spark when I was doing engineering. Of course, maths was more interesting, but table tennis gave me sleepless nights. So I think without table tennis, there were sleepless nights. So when I realized that, I felt table tennis and that sound of the ball is what is my drug, and I have to go behind this.
Wow. I think that was probably the most profound answer that you've given so far, because I think just in the way that I framed that question, most of us look at life in a realistic way. And there are some actual personality tests that indicate that we tend to be more realistic with our approach to life and how we do things in India. So whenever we talk about our dreams, something that we desire, usually we have loads of voices, either our parents, our friends, or our teachers telling us, oh no, you can't do it.
Yeah, they're just scared about it. Of course, they're all willing to sing, but any new path you do anywhere, there is always opposition. There is always, restrictions to it, and that is when you have to see you're doing something right. Actually, when there is a lot of opposition coming, you're doing the right path. But I feel there should be no regrets. You should have to give it that one shot, and at least when you even fail, you will be happy without having regrets, giving it that shot rather than regretting that I never gave that big shot in my life.
So you would recommend that even if that person was feeling at that point of time like, oh my God, I'm a failure, or I have failed so many times, you would encourage them to push on and use that towards making a better future.
Definitely. Like I said, don't do the same things again and again. Do it in a different way, and do it in a much organized way that you also keep progress of your process, what's been doing. So people also will be able to see it when you really do things in a different way. And hard work is very much important, but smart work is much more important. So you have to do it in a smarter way. And when you put right things in the right places, results will definitely follow.